It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something interesting from Malaysia. This is meat mee with their yee mee soup. Yee mee. Anchovy broth. So this one's a little interesting. We've got anchovies. We've got fried onion, we've got powder soup base, and we have, check this out, it's like a little to-go box, but this is what the noodles are within. So we're going to take the soup base. I think this is going to be kind of like the last one. I don't know, we'll see. Let's drop the, come on. Let go, get in there. I think it's in there. Yes, it is. And then we have the, I think it's Yemen. It's a crazy noodle block. And it goes in 500 mils of water. And it goes for 3 minutes. So it is a dark, cloudy day. The noodles aren't bad. The dog is whining. And, yeah. A happy day, though. Happy because my wife had to get a couple stitches on something, so they are coming out today. Yeah, she had a couple little ouches on her head, and they had to do some stuff on it, so they are taking those out presently. I don't know that I've ever had stitches. She used to play a lot of softball, so it sounds like she's had stitches plenty of time from playing softball. But okay, come on, don't boil over. But yeah, as the little spots were healing from her procedure, they it sounds like they were the stitches were getting tighter. It sounds like it was really uncomfortable, so hopefully this will help out. I could tell it was really getting to her. So that's good. My daughter seems to be on the mend from her sick. And my boy seems to be walking better from his collision of his foot with something at school. So that is all good stuff. Me, my nose is bugging me. It's that dry then wet then dry then wet weather where it gets your nose and junk all cracked. I just today put out an ask of people in the group. Or on Facebook rather, can you please send me a rechargeable light? Because the ring light, as I mentioned, if I push the button, it turns on and then off. And then if I do it enough times, it'll stay on. But right now, obviously, it's not working right. Oh! Every once in a while it'll stay on. But it'll only stay on for 10-15 seconds. So that is not an optimal setup, to be sure. Alright. She's still got the cough though. That's no good. But the bad temperature and such is gone. Okay. Let's give this a try. Not a lot to see here. It's just basically a very light broth. Here's the noodle. Very light. A very light anchovy broth. I would go so far as to say that's kind of on the bland end of the stick. I don't know though. I don't. The packaging shows this stuff added to it, and I really don't know what it is. So I've had e-main before. But this, I think, is something completely different. I'm not super in tune with what's going on here, but it's not bad. It's mellow. I should call it that. It is a mellow thing. But I don't know what's on the package. What are those foodstuffs that are added? I guess I could have emailed them and asked, but I kind of was like, I'm going to do reviews today. So I kind of started cramming all the images into my image crammer and started working on stuff, and before I knew it, it was now, and now is now, so I'm cooking. And after all of this and this, I'll try the this and that, if you get what I'm saying, and I think you do. Can you even see? You can kind of see. You'll see from the top down in a moment. No worries. And I'm going to add some, I think I'm going to add some mung bean sprout. A little bit of that. A little bit. And some onion. And that one just does not want to behave, so we're going to move that over. We're going to do a single shake of crushed red pepper and a tad bit. Oh, sesame seed. And that is my beautiful, wonderful wife, hopefully saying that they got the stitches out and she's good. That would make me thrilled. And her as well, I'm sure. But what doesn't make me thrilled is how all of this goes down with, come on, with the lack of good lighting. I'm not super jazzed on that, but nothing I can do at this point except for allow Rotato to work its rotational magic. Cool, thanks to the folks over at Meet Me for sending this one over. The next one we're going to have is one that came out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code, the Ramen Raider, for a discount. This is a Yamadai variety, and this is Toyama Black. It's black, so you'll get to check that on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one, and bye-bye.